Welcome back to the TV tailpipe. I got my screw gun, Milwaukee. That one wanted to dance on me, but it's all. That was all. Now I just take that, put it over here in my little pile for now. Now I can take the rest of these off. You gotta break the screws first with the screw gun. Phillips screwdriver. Otherwise you're gonna break the heads off on these things. Get off. If you know what I'm talking about, you will have some that had broken tips on them. Like that one right there, that broken tip on it. Not round like the rest of them. These are old. I had these since 2005. And they're still in good condition because I don't use them that much. And here's more of them. You can see right there, that one's broken, this one's broken. But yeah, this is not about these things. It's more about tearing stuff apart. Alright. These all. Take that out. Take this one out. Oh, get out of here, Bumblebee. See how that fell down to just pushing off. Better get out of here, Wall. Hey, get out of here. I'll bite you back. Them things not fun to be around. I've been bit by them things and they hurt like a jackrabbit. I know you don't say take one of them things enough. Well, I'm almost to this other end where I have to reach up in here to get that out. Which I could have done that on the other side. That's fine, I know where you're at. You didn't go far. In the hole. No, now I'm talking like Happy Gilmore. In the hole. Yeah, all of them came off the TV alone. No, that adds up. That adds up. I say probably about, I had to guess, it's always together, I'm looking probably about 20 grams to 50 grams. And pound wise, I don't know. Not even close to a pound. Alright, that's all. Yep, it's free to go. And that's the back of the TV. Alright, I'm back over here. That's all. That's all. Y'all be thinking I'm a pro, but I'm not that good. Everybody wish they are, but they're not. If they work with it every day, yeah, they are. But if they're not, they're just Just like me. It's like tearing stuff apart. Now, it's just out of here. I gotta get that all taken to. Yeah, no, I got a bunch more junk over there too. I'm slowly working on it. That'll be on the next video. Stripping away. Alright, catch you on the next one. Peace out.